નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. Dear student, today we are going to start standard 7th social science and chapter number 5, location and time. What are these vertical and horizontal lines on the globe of the earth? Here one picture given globe of the earth, and here are some vertical. Vertical means standing line and horizontal means sleeping lines are drawn on the globe of the earth. They are imaginary lines and are not drawn on the surface of the earth. These all are imaginary line, but it is not drawn on the surface of the earth. The horizontal lines are called latitude and the vertical lines are known as longitudes. What are latitudes and degrees of latitudes? So here picture given and this line, horizontal line, this horizontal line drawn on the globe, they are known as latitude, and this is vertical means standing line drawn on the globe, they are known as longitude. So what are latitude and longitude degrees? We will learn about through a activity. Let's learn through an activity. Measure the angle of different places in the classroom with the help of protractor, pencil and paper. Draw a circle on a paper and write down an angles of the circle at 10 degree, 90 degree, 30 degree and 60 degree. So student, you have to do this activity at your home and you have to take one paper. So and also you have to take protractor, pencil and paper. So draw a circle on the paper. You have to draw a circle. Here is also paper and it is also circle is drawn. So and write down the angles of the circle. Here is also they write down the circle and they are shown the degree, 0 degree, 90 degree. Same thing you have to show 10 degree, 30 degree and 60 degree also. Latitude is an angle which ranges from 0 degree at the equator to 90 degree north or south at the poles. So here is upper side there is a north pole and downside there is a south pole. And equator means in the between line it is drawn, this line are drawn, this one called as a equator. So it is divided two part, north part and south part. So north pole, north or south, this latitude is an angle which ranges from 0 degree, here is 0 degree at the equator, to 90 degree north or 90 degree. Here also we can see here it is going to north side and it may be also going to south side. So 0 degree to 90 degree north or south at the poles. Line of latitude run east to west, a circle parallel to the equator. So lines of latitude means sleeping line. Lines of attitude we can also draw on the, it is also draw on the equator to parallel means going to same line. Draw a circle and mark a line of latitude. With the help of a map, mention the various countries through which that latitude passes. Draw latitudes at 23.5 degree north and south and write the names of country through which they pass. Draw latitude 23 point north and south and we will see all the things through a map. Picture of map is given and we will see 23.5 north and south and equator, 0 degree equator, which countries are passes. In the 23.5 north, it is called as Tropic of Cancer. So in this we can see Western Sahara means Africa, here also China, we can see this China, Myanmar, India, Libya. This one is 23.5 degree of Tropic of Cancer and 0 equator. We can see that Mali, Saudi Arabia and Malaysia. And 23.5 south Tropic of Capricorn. In this we can see here Chile, Botswana and Australia. We can see all these countries through which they pass. Now we will learn about equator. The equator is the middle latitude or the zero latitude which divides the earth into northern and southern hemisphere. So equator, student, we also know that equator is at the 0 degree. It means it is in the middle of the circle. So north part, upper side is north and downside is known as south. So upper part north, it is known as northern hemisphere, and south part known as southern hemisphere. The part of the earth that lies to the north of the 0 degree equator latitude is called the northern hemisphere, and the part that lies to its south is known as the southern hemisphere. So upper part is north and it is known as the northern hemisphere, and downside the part lies its south is known as the southern hemisphere. How many latitudes pass through our village or city? How can we find it out? So for this, to understand latitude and longitude and equator, we will see a video so we can understand properly. Today we will see the video standard 7, subject is social science and chapter number 5, location and time. In the book we see what is horizontal line, what is vertical line, and we also learn about equator. So we will see the video so you will come to know what is latitude, longitude and equator. So first we learn about latitude. The horizontal imaginary lines drawn on the globe are known as latitude. It means this one is horizontal line, means slanting line. These are known as the latitude. In the latitude there is Arctic circle, north part, south, or there is an Antarctic circle. 23.5 north latitude, and here it is known as Tropic of Cancer. And in the equator downside, 23.5 south latitude, known as Tropic of Capricorn. Same thing, here is longitude. Longitude means vertical line. Here we can see in the globe there is a vertical line. This is North Pole and this is South Pole. So let's understand what is longitude. The vertical imaginary lines drawn on the globe are known as longitude. So this one is vertical line, so this is known as longitude. And what is equator? The imaginary lines divide the earth into two equal parts known as equator. So here we can see this one called as equator. So the imaginary lines, this is imaginary lines, can divide the earth north part, south part into two equal parts. They make two equal parts. So that one line is known as equator. Now do and learn. Among the uncountable stars in the sky, uncountable star means it is not countable. So there are uncountable stars in the sky, and there is one bright star usually seen in the north called the North Star or Pole Star. So in the sky there are many uncountable stars, and there is also one bright star. It is known as the North Star or Pole Star. For students also one other activity. So for that you have to take a big protector, make a hole in the center and tie a thread. Hang a nail from it. As shown in the picture, using glue stick the lid of an unused ball pen on it. Take it to a place from where you can see the night sky clearly. Take it to the terrace and view the North Star through the cap of the pen. As you adjust it to view the star, the angle at which the nail stops, it is the latitude of your city. So here is one picture also given and one activity is given. So you have to take protector. In the picture we can see here is a big protector and they make a hole in the center and they pass the thread means doro, and hang a nail. Here we can see the nail. So everything it is here. So we have to do same like this as shown the picture. From the picture you have to do, and using a glue stick on the lid, they also using a glue stick and also used unused ball pen. So you have to take unused pen and you have to hang it like that. Take to a place where you can see in the night sky clearly. So from home we cannot see, but for that we have to go to the terrace and view the North Star through the cap of the pen. So from this we can know the latitude of our city. Look at the moon and write the angle. Look at the North Star and write the angle. Look at the other star and planets that you know and write their names. The names of few countries are mentioned below. In what direction do they lie from the 0-degree latitude, north or south? Take an atlas and globe and locate these countries: Kenya, Mongolia, Chile, South Africa, Egypt, Russia and Canada. Things to know. GPS. What is GPS? Student, also your parents also use the mobile and they have also internet service, internet in their mobile. Also from the help of GPS, in the mobile we can go any place and we can know through GPS, we can know latitude and longitude. So the exact latitude and longitude for a place can be known with the help of a global positioning system. This is the full form of GPS. GPS means Global Positioning System. In phones and satellite in a space, using the internet, you can get information about the latitude and longitude of your village or city by simply clicking on My Location option, which you have to click My Location on the option from your phone. So from GPS we can see where you have to enter only things where you are and where you want to reach. So from the GPS, with the help of GPS we can reach any place. So we can also see latitude and longitude with the help of Global Positioning System. This is the full form of GPS, and with the help of internet. Without internet we cannot do this. So it is important internet in the mobile. So for that we have to click on My Location option and we have to enter that where we are and where we want to reach. So we can easily reach there. And also we can know the latitude and longitude of our city. Thank you for joining us.